Today's a very special day. The pups are going to build a new library.
Somebody need a library? It's them! They're so cool!
But someone doesn't seem to think it's such a good idea.
The mayor asked Pupstruction to build the library? Hey, why does she always give the best job to those pups?
Oh, I know. It's because they're the best builders in town.
Yeah, that's what she called them.
Well, we're about to be the best builders in town thanks to my latest creation. Say hello to RoboCat.
Meow.
Hello.
RoboCat, build me something, please.
RoboCat build.
This thing doesn't build, it just breaks. That won't help us beat Pupstruction. Or maybe it will. If I give RoboCat to Pupstruction, it'll destroy everything they make. Here we go. Now every time those pesky pups try to build the library, RoboCat will break it down.
Oh, hey there. RoboCat build. Hey, pups! We've got a RoboCat here that wants to build. RoboCat, how about shoveling that dirt? RoboCat build.
That's a funny way of building.
Accidents happen. I'm sure RoboCat will be more helpful with the rest of the build. RoboCat build. RoboCat build. RoboCat build. Whoa! RoboCat sure has a lot of accidents. Tank, I need you to find a book about concrete.
Found it!
Luna, we're gonna need a book on building walls. Got one! Roxy, I need you to find a book about building bookshelves. Right here. And finally, we need a book about building roofs.
I found two!
All right, team, grab your books and let's crank it up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's time to build. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's time to build. One book at a time, and we've got a plan. It's time to build. It's time to build.
Children of Pittsburgh, it is my great pleasure to present the new library!
Books! Woo, we get to read! Yeah, it's even better than the picture.
Even if sometimes there's someone ready to spoil your plans,
Look out!
there's always a way to fix things. You just have to learn how to do it and never give up. And now we can enjoy the new library the pups built on Disney Junior.